First game, first match.
12 divided 12.
This is our Enter Emirates Season 4. May basketballista.
Oops!
Dubai ball, Dubai.
Anderson.
Inbounding Anderson. This is just our first game, first match for our Enter Emirates Season 4. May basketballista.
Bang, 8.
Too strong. Rebound by Busalpa. Brooks, 14 shot clock for team. Anderson, favorite shot. First basket, too strong. Rebound again Busalpa. Yes, first basket by Busalpa. Now 2-0. Favor of Dubai. Now the Playboy Louis. Too strong. Rebound by Crocs. Crocs now. Looking for the point guard. Now Anderson. Raj, Kate, Anderson. Looking for save back to Pilata. 40 to shoot. Steal by Air Balason. To Di Torres. To Wonderboy. In and out. Rebound by Shirjay. Shirjay. Nice drive. Busalpa again. Rebound. Now Busalpa. In and out. Wonderboy. Looking for the lover boy. Playboy Louis. Now Louis. To Shirjay. Out. Turnover. Against Abu Dhabi. Our score, 2-0. Again, turnover, back-to-back turnover of both teams. It's Abu Dhabi ball. Now, the Wonder Boy. The Playboy Louis. Then too strong. Rebound on Busalpa. Intercepted by Loverboy. Steal by Busalpa. A spot, same path. Open jump, too strong. Rebound on the Playboy Louis. The Playboy Louis to Sergey. Back to Air Balason. First basket shot, first basket, 2-all. His first unlock of the game. It's 7 minutes and 20 seconds. 26 seconds. Busalpa. Pump up jumper. Too strong. Rebound again on Abu Dhabi. It's now Playboy Louis escape. Nice pass. Air Balason. Out for 2. 2-point lead now on Abu Dhabi. Now Brooks. Too strong. Air Balason again. No Wonderboy. Wonderboy to Loverboy. Same ball, same ball. Bang! 2-point shot again by Air Balason. Now 6-2. Too strong. Yes, on the Playboy Louis. Now 8-2. 6-point lead on Brooks. Pilarga.
Ya Allah.
Yes, on Brooks. 4-8. Back to 4-point lead on Abu Dhabi. 5 minutes and 42 seconds. This is just our first game, first match for our youth on Enter Emirates Season 4. Air Balason again, favorite shot, 10-4. 6-point lead now on Abu Dhabi. Anderson. Too strong. Rebound Roster J. Wow! What a great move again on the play by Louie. Now 12-4. Yo! What a shot. Now 6. 12. Only 6-point lead on Abu Dhabi. Lover Boy. Playboy. Louie. Wonder Boy. Master Balason again. Favorite shot. Same spot short. Rebound on Busalpa. Busalpa. Short. Rebound agad kay Busalpa. Open the foul. Foul on Air Balason. First on Air Balason. First team foul on Abu Dhabi. First basket. 7-6, 7-12. Escape. Oh! Wala. 14 to shoot. 14. Nice defense on Musalpa. Air Balason again. It's bad. Di Torres. Drive short. Rebound on Musalpa. Yes! Nice shot. Now, 9-12. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Fourteen to shoot. Short. 14 is set like 3 minutes. Now Anderson drive, foul. Foul on number 14 on the Wonder Boy. First on the Wonder Boy. Second team foul against Abu Dhabi. It's 3 minutes remaining time for our first quarter. First game. Now 10-12. 2-point lead now on Abu Dhabi. One-point lead Abu Dhabi. It's 3 minutes. 12-11. Now play by Louie. Steal by Anderson. Anderson drive, Anderson, too strong, rebound down on the Lover Boy, Playboy Louie, it's 4-on-3, Playboy Louie, open jump, too strong again, Di Torres now, fake jump, Di Torres out, short, Blackback Crooks, now 2 minutes and 38 seconds. Oh, turnover against Dubai, it's 2 minutes 20, 12-11. Pass outside. Rebound and Air Balason. Now 14-11. 2 minutes. 3-point lead now. Back to Abu Dhabi. Crooks guarded by Sergey. To Busalpa. Looking for Pilarca. Open Sam, shoot, shot. Pilarca again. Open Pilarca. In and out. Rebound now Di Torres. Now Louie. Drive, Louie. Nice defense on Busalpa. It's 2-1. Aquino. Pass outside. Nice pass, Crooks. Yes, on Crooks, now 13 to 14. 1 point in now on Nabalabits, 1 minute and 33 seconds. Sergey. Rudy Torres. Louis. 40 to shoot. Sergey, what a move. Too strong again. Ibang Pilarca. It's 2-1. Aquino all the way. All alone. Aquino. Yes, on Aquino now 15, 14. 1 point in on Dubai. It's 1 minute. We are live on the Facebook Live. On Facebook page of Basketballista. Louis. Nice pass. Di Torres again. Again too strong. Ibang Busalpa. Busalpa to Aquino. Aquino, it's 3-2. Aquino stop up. Bang! On Aquino. 40 seconds. Again on the Playboy Louis. Drive, stop, Louis. All alone by the Lumberboy, Playboy Louis. It's 17-16. 25 seconds. Nice steal by Erbalason. Pilarca looking for Aquino. Aquino, 10 to shoot. Short. Oh, Anderson. Anderson, right. What about Anderson? 6 seconds. Foul. Foul on number 15. On Di Torres. First on Di Torres. 13 foul against Abu Dhabi. Shot by Anderson, now 18-16. 6 seconds, 6. Five seconds, 5 seconds. Basket net count is 16-18. Rep. Second quarter ready, second quarter.
Ano? Ito nga? Ayun. Tandang. Balik lang. Hawakan mo.
Second quarter ready. Welcome back, Uno. It's Abu Dhabi ball, Abu Dhabi. Inbounding Nepi. Now on Cedar in the ball game. Now Uno, drive. Oh no! Uno, now 18 all. First basket, first shot by number 1, number Uno. Too strong. Rebound by Nepi. Nepi to the point guard, Isidero. Short. It's Dubai ball, Dubai. Now first deadlock of the game, 18 all. It's Abu Dhabi versus Dubai, our Enter Emirates Season 4. By Basketballista. Captain Midel. Toragues, right, pass downside, nice defense. On Nepi. 14 to shoot, 14. Captain Midel. To Toragues, 10 to shoot. Maeng. Too strong, rebound, Uno. 8 minutes and 40 seconds, Isidero. Steal by Maeng. Still our score, 18-all. First deadlock of the game. Now Isidero, looking for atomic bomb to throw rebound top. Oh, Maeng. Maeng throw. Turnover on Abu Dhabi. It's 8 minutes and 10 seconds. First game, first match. Now Isidero. Nebi, stop up. 40 to shoot. Nepi, first basket. Bang! Long 3, long 2 by Nepi. Now 20 against 18. 2-point lead now, Abu Dhabi. Again, too strong. Oh, Ilagan. Now, Uno. Uno, 1 and 1. Uno, dive. Oh, no! Pow! Foul on number 44. On Naranges. First on Naranges. First team foul on Dubai. In 7 minutes and 29 seconds. She said there's a first game or first match for our intermediate season 4. Nice shot by Uno. 21 against 18. 3-point lead now on Abu Dhabi. Arangues. Nice move. Pass to Maeng. Maeng. Favorite shot. Maeng long 2. Too strong. Ibalagan by Ilagan. Steal. Atomic bomb is there. Atomic bomb to his there. Foul. Foul again on number 44, Aaron Arangues. Second personal foul on Arangues. Second on Dubai.
Richard.
Ay, ay, ay.
Pino na kayo, no? Kaya yun, pino na jersey niya.
Foul! Foul on number 6. On Ilagan. First on Ilagan, first team foul on Abu Dhabi. Now 19 to 21. Isidoro. Now atomic bomb. Hesitate pa. First basket again. Too strong. Di ba by Uno? Atomic bomb again. 14 seconds to 14. Nepi fake. Time to shoot. Nepi side step. What the defense coming from Arangues. Maeng to Alak. Alak pass. Alak back to Primo. Oh, in and out. Di ba by Uno? Now Nepi. Nepi drive, Nepi left-handed drive. Yes, on Nepi 23 to 19. Now Alak. Added by Uno. Now the captain Milel, captain Brad, captain Milel. Too strong and rebound by Escalante. Escalante. It's 3 and 4 for Rai. Still Escalante again. Pass Uno. Uno drive, full fake. Escalante. Still by Primo. Primo to the captain Milel. In and out again. Primo by Isidero. Nepi. Still. Escalante fake. Black foul. Foul on Maeng. Timeout on Abu Dhabi. It's 5 minutes and 27 seconds. 23. Against 19. Tulumagi. It's only 4-point lead on Abu Dhabi, 23 against 19. Now we are live in the Facebook page of Basketballista 24-19. Out, top, Emaeng. Out, Abu Dhabi ball. Dubai ball, Dubai. Now Arangues. Awalak. Scoop, short. Now Uno. Uno drive, bonus kick, pass to Atomic Bomb. Short again, Isidero. Isidero again, Atomic Bomb, pump. Out, too strong. Captain Medel. Alak, still by Abu Dhabi again. Uno. Uno now. Escalante, short. Top by off. Now Arquez. Foul. Foul again on number 6. Oh, Nilagan, second personal foul. Nilagan, second team foul. Against Abu Dhabi. Now Arquez. Too strong. Primo. Yes, on Primo. 24-21. Now Isidoro. Step 14 to shoot. Short. Primo. Looking for Alak. Now it's 3 on 4. Captain Medel. Stop. Captain Medel again. Brad. Captain Medel to Alak. Alak take. Nice defense on the Abu Dhabi. Now 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Uno. Nepi. Nepi drive. Nepi pick. Nepi too strong. Di ba Medel? Now. Foul. Again on number 6. Oh, technical foul on number 6 sa Nilagan. It's third personal foul on Ilagan. It's only 24-21. We are live on the Facebook page by Basketballista. Inbounding Maeng to Arangues. Back to Maeng. Maeng pick. Maeng drive. Maeng pass to Alak. Maeng again. Bang on Maeng. Now Ilagan. Uno. Same ball. Last stats on Maeng. Ilagan. Isidero, 10 to shoot. Too strong. Oh, Uno again. 14 is at 14. Oh, turnover miscommunication now. Abu Dhabi now 2 minutes and 54 seconds. It's 24 against 23. 1 point lead Abu Dhabi. Captain Medel. Oh, short again. Captain Medel. Again, to strong. Captain Medel. Foul. Loose ball foul on the Captain Medel. It's 13 foul on the by. First on the captain. It's 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Now Isidero. Nepi. Nice move. Twerk to stop. Maeng again. Talon 3 on. Now Maeng. It's 3 on 3. Pass to Primo. Primo fake. Pass to Arangues. Arangues. Shot. Maeng. Maeng again fake. Maeng. 14 to shoot. 14. Now got it by Uno. 10 to shoot. Bang. Oh, Arangues. Now 26-24, 2-point lead of Dubai. Now Ilagan. Block. Ilagan again.
Ay lang tayo!
Ilagan, black again, Maing. To Captain Medel. Looking for Alak. Pass to Maing. Cardi Benepi. Maing coast to coast, looking for Primo. Your ball, Maing again, fake. Foul! Foul on number 26. Third warning for penalty on Abu Dhabi. First on Nepi. It's 1 minute and 35 seconds. 2-point lead on Dubai. It's 26 to 24. Oh, Mang again! Rebound on Nepi. Mang for the set. Mang! Rebound again by Mang. Foul! Foul on Escalante. Time out on Dubai. This is our first game, first match of our Emirates Season 4 by Basketballista. It's Abu Dhabi versus Dubai. Our score, 26-24. One minute and 24 seconds. (27-24), 3-point lead now, Dubai. Now Isidero. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Escalante! 27 all. Now top to Nadal. To our guest. Air ball, Escalante. Uno. Still Belak. Uno again, number 1. Now, no, to Nepe. 29-27. 2-point lead back to Abu Dhabi. It's 45 seconds. Foul. Foul on number 1. Uno. Penalty rep. It's first personal foul on Uno.
Can you check this? Wait.
45 seconds. Escalante. Still by Maing. Maing one. Maing. And out. Top. Now, Ilagan. Looking for Isidero. Isidero to Uno. Nepi. In and out. Escalante. 20 seconds.
Apat na.
Ito, ano ba?
Third quarter ready, third quarter.
Tabor.
One game. Third quarter. Yes, Sir J. Everyone, to 35. Nice. 32 to 35. Turnover again on Musalpa. Yes, on Musalpa, 34 against the 35. 1 point lead now on Abu Dhabi. Foul.
Okay, Aquino.
Foul on Aquino. Second team foul on Dubai. First against Aquino. Lui. Sergey. Pass to Lui. Can to shoot 10. Steal again. Wonder Boy. Fair ball. Yes, Oloy. Now 37 to 34. Back to 3-point lead on Abu Dhabi. 7 minutes and 20. Anderson again. Short. Now Pilarca. Musalpa. Too strong. Manalastas. Now in the ball game. Now to Loy. Loy now the Playboy. Playboy Loy. Stop. Playboy stop. Playboy rep. Playboy stop. Playboy. One pa Playboy Loy. Now 39 to 34. Back to 5-point lead on Abu Dhabi. In 7 minutes, 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Third quarter. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Good! Anderson! 39 to 37. Back to 2-point lead on Abu Dhabi. Sergey! Air ball! Iba on Aquino. Aquino to Musalpa. Musalpa. Looking for Anderson. Same spot. Rebound on Black. Now on Herbalason. Herbalason driver. Goes to goal. Herbalason 41 to 37. 4-point lead now. Back to Abu Dhabi. Anderson. Looking for Labarias. Labarias. Musalpa, 10 to shoot. 10. Whoa! Aquino. 41 to 39. It's 5 minutes and 37 seconds. Sergey, looking for the lover boy. Playboy Loy. In and out, top. Now Pilarca. 1-1. Anderson, nice pass. Bang! Basket count and 1. On Aquino. Foul on Lui. It's 41 all.
5 minutes. 5 minutes.
41 all. Iba ng Melastas. To Loverboy Lui. Playboy. Manalastas. Go! Manalastas. Steal. Musalpa. To Anderson. Sabi ko sundap, sabrap. Top. Labarias. 14 is set clock 14. 10. Air ball. Black Peloy. Now, Escalante. It's 3-1. Loy. No! It's 3-1. Turnover against Abu Dhabi. Now, Anderson. Short. Balason. Baseball bat. Oh, he's gone! Again, another. Now, Anderson, top. Mine. That Wonder Boy now. Wonder Boy to Louie. It's 2-1. Louie. Fake. Louie. Drive. Louie. Too strong. Top. Escalante. Yes, on Escalante. Time out. On Dubai. It's 45 to 41. 4-point lead on Abu Dhabi. It's 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Our first game, our first match, is Abu Dhabi versus Dubai. Aquino. Steal by Malason. Malason to Louie. Guard by Aquino. Whoa! What a move! By the Louie. Turnover by Abu Dhabi. It's 3 minutes and 20 seconds. 47 to 41. 6-point lead on Abu Dhabi. What a great match between two teams, Abu Dhabi and Dubai. Now Dubai is holding a record of 3-0 win. Wonder Boy, short, foul. Foul on number 19 on Laparias. First on Laparias, 13 foul on Dubai. Now Louie, Manalastas, patuloy, Manalastas, 10 to shoot, 10! Black by Musalba! Again too strong, count by Maeng. Steal by Malason! Right ball, out, short! Same ball. Oh, Dubai ball, Dubai. It's 2 minutes and 34 seconds. 6-point lead now on Abu Dhabi. It's 47 to 41. Aquino, 40 to shoot. He's still up in the last. It's still no, he's still on Maeng. Maeng now. Maeng drive, Maeng. Too strong. Too back at Maeng. Top by Alak. Nice outside, Musalba. 47-43. Substitution. It's 1 minute and 55 seconds. Top by Maeng again. On alone, Aquino. Oh! Turnover on Aquino. It's 1 minute and 47 seconds. It's Abu Dhabi versus Dubai. Our Intermediate Season 4 by Basketballista. Short. Iba ni Torres. Black by Musalpa. Now Maeng. Baseball bat to Alak, to go. Oh, you're out. Now Labanas. 40 to shoot, 14. Alak. Bang! Oh, Aquino. 1 minute. It's 47 to 45. 2-point lead now, Abu Dhabi. 40 to shoot. Short. Manalastas. Nice pass. Tap again. To Escalante. Outside. Torres. Manalastas. Oh, Escalante. Yo-yo move. Oh, Escalante! 30 seconds.
Uli. Last shot.
40 to shoot. In and out. Analastas. Oh, top! Labayas. Yes! Oh, Labayas. 15 seconds. Mine. Wow! Mine. 5 seconds.
5 seconds. Last one.
Basket count, now 51 against 49, 2-point lead on Abu Dhabi. It's fourth quarter ready.
Escalante.
Nakantigong ka ng buko. Tingnan mo. Baka makita na sa
Last quarter.
Pasok. Kailangan.
Hindi na yan na-enjoy maglaro.
Inbounding Air Balason. Now Isidoro. Uno.
Bang bang.
Air ball. Rebound ng kay Maing. Drive. Maing. Short. Rebound ng kay Maing. Top. Maing. Wow! Basket count ng kay Maing. It's 51 all. Who's ball up? Foul on number 26 on Nepi. Second personal foul on the rookie Nepi. Nepi. Nice pass, Uno. Gusto agad, Ilagan. Short. Ilagan again. Spot up. Foul on Crooks. First on Crooks. First big foul by. This is the fourth quarter. First game. And we are live on the Facebook page of Basketballista.
Hello.
52 to 51. Back to 1-point lead on Abu Dhabi.
Kabila. Yan, yan pala. Sentro, gitna ka. Sentro. Sentro. Tapos gitna. Gitna. Yan. Kunin mo na.
Primo. To Crooks. Short. Now Air Balason. Baseball bat. Oh! Turnover on Abu Dhabi. It's 9 minutes. It's only 1-point lead on Abu Dhabi. It's 52 to 51. Arangues to Maing. Back to Arangues. Arangues to Maing. Maing. To the Captain Medel. Big Captain Medel. The Lionheart. Captain Medel looking for Primo. Primo back. Bang! On Primo! 53 to 52. Isidero to Ilagan. Air Balason. Drive. Air Balason. Oh, number 12. 10 to shoot. 10.
Rep.
Too strong.
Rep.
Crooks. Same ball. Same ball. It's 8 minutes. Crooks. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Crooks! 42. 4-point lead now, Dubai. Isidero. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on Isidero. 56 to 55. Back to 1-point lead on Dubai. Now, Maeng. Looking for Arages. Back to Maeng. Is it take? Fake. Guarded by Uno. Maeng drive. Maeng looking for the captain. Block! Maeng again. 10 shoot. Oh, rebound on Balason. It's 2-on-1. 3-on-1. Now, all right. Too strong. Top. Dubai ball. Set. Substitution up. Sub. Maeng out. Nakapusal pa in. Substitution up. The playboy in. Isidoro out. Too strong. Busal pa. 14 seconds. 14. Captain Minel again. Short. Oh, Crooks. Ah, Loverboy, Playboy, Uno. Uno, yes, Uno. Now 57 to 56. 1-point lead on Abu Dhabi. Now Primo. Tama, steal again on the Playboy. Playboy right now. Playboy, Musalpa. Last touch on Musalpa. It's 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Still 57 to 56. 1-point lead Abu Dhabi. Shot in the step, sub. Captain middle. Out. Nebi. A ball. Arangues. Rebound. Now setting a play. Arangues. Carvalho, 10 to shoot. Musalpa. Hey! In and out. Oh, rebound and Balason. Balason now. Balason. It's 4-on-1. Balason does illegal foul. Foul on Musalpa. Substitution wraps up. Second team foul on Dubai. First on Balason. On Musalpa. Our second game will be do or die game between Takure versus Caladia, our interstate category by basketballista. 5 minutes and 34 seconds. Now Anderson. Looking for Arangues. Anderson. Fake. Drive. Anderson. Scoop. Blocked by Balason. Now 2-on-2. 2-on-1. Nice. Escalante short. Top. Now Aquino. Aquino. Favorite shot. Tinanatagay. Di ba Musalpa? Musalpa fake. Musalpa kay Balason. Blocked by Balason. It's Abu Dhabi ball. Abu Dhabi. It's 5 times solution. Wraps up. Substitution up. Shoot. Short again. Rebound on Escalante. Now the Loverboy. Playboy Louie. Playboy now. Setting a play. Playboy. Nice pass. Escalante. In and out. Rebound by Musaba. Now Arangues. Arangues is looking for Arangues. So, nice defense on Louie. It's 3-on-1. Louie. Escalante. Block. Escalante again. Ilagan now. 60-56. 4-point lead on Abu Dhabi. It's 4 minutes. Maeng. Out. Too strong. Top. Oh, Balason. It's 2-on-1. Balason. Balason. Basket count and 1 on Balason. on it's 62 to 56. Substitution up, up. Time out on Abu Dhabi.
Pahinga.
It's 13 foul on Dubai. Second on Usalpa. It's 3 minutes and 51 seconds. 62 to 56.
Shooter.
Basket substitution na basket substitution.
Hindi matik yun, magpapasok siya.
Pag-shoot.
3 minutes and 51 seconds. Now, rebound Usalpa.
Sa likod! Kumat na.
Aquino. Anderson. Time to shoot. 10.
Dapat lang.
5. Too strong. Rebound by Escalante. Now, Rui. Ilagan. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10.
Nice way, pumasok.
Shoot. Malason. 14 seconds. 3 minutes. Shoot again. Escalante. Tap. Escalante again. Escalante to Ilagan. Ilagan now. Ilagan 10. Ilagan to Escalante. Too strong. Rebound by Maeng to Labarias. Labarias. Nice pass outside. Yes, on Aquino. 58 to 62. It's 2 minutes and 35 seconds. What a ball game. Abu Dhabi versus Dubai. It's 2 minutes and 20. 14 to shoot.
Bigay pick.
10. Tapagan na sa foul.
Technical, may dalawa na sa una pa. Dalawa. Behind ka. Dalawa na sa Oo, magka-transition. Remake niyo yung transition. Kahit may nauna pa doon. Bago yan.
A sportsmanlike foul on number 8 on the Playboy Louie. Technical withdraw against Usalpa. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Okay lang, bawi tayo.
Bisamo. Weng, labas ka, Weng.
Anderson. Too strong. Abu Dhabi ball, Abu Dhabi. It's 3 minutes and 7 seconds.
Lamang kayo, apat.
62 to 58. Last 2 minutes. This last 2 minutes is brought to you by Chooks to Go, Samsung, and Magnolia. Right here, Lloyd. Whoa! That's a right by Lloyd. 64 to 58. 6-point lead now on Abu Dhabi. Foul. Foul on number 14 on the Wonder Boy. Set to the left out. 13 foul, Abu Dhabi, third personal foul against the Wonder Boy. It's 1 minute and 38 seconds to free throw shot given by Anderson. First free throw shot. Basket count, now 59-64. It's 5-point lead, Abu Dhabi.
Box tayo, box.
Last touch on Abu Dhabi, last touch. Referee error, last touch on Abu Dhabi.
Heads up, bawi tayo!
Referee error. Last touch on Sergey, last touch. Whoa! Abu Dhabi ball, it's 1 minute and 24 seconds. Last touch on mine. Nice defense on Abu Dhabi, it's 1 minute and 24 seconds. Now, madalas touch to Sergey. Sergey.
Point guard, sa point guard!
Back to the Wonder Boy looking for Sergey. Look to boy, nice strike. Madalas touch, Paso! Yes! What a shot coming from Leoy. 1 minute and 5 seconds. 66 to 59, 7 point lead Abu Dhabi. Mine. Coast to coast, mine. 55 seconds. Foul. Foul on Labarias. Warning for penalty on Dubai. First personal foul on Labarias. Substitution up. It's 52 seconds. 52. Warning for penalty on Dubai. Warning for penalty. Nada Luy. Foul.
Penalty na!
Foul on Maing. Penalty. First personal foul on number 11 on Maing. 49 seconds. Short.
Salang tayo, sila!
Sure win naman na yun.
49 seconds. 67, 61. Now Abu Dhabi lead by 6. Maeng! Wow! What a defense coming from Malason. Wonder Boy. Wow! Turnover, 38 seconds, 38.
Heads up, okay lang!
Balas lang, balas! Walang tao!
Timeout on Dubai.
May isa pa kayo.
Our score, 67 to 61, 38 seconds. This is just our first game, first match. It's Abu Dhabi versus Dubai. Dubai now in penalty. Abu Dhabi have third team foul. Rebounding Labarias. Mine. Air ball. Top. 31 seconds. 31.
Help!
Foul. Foul on number 11 Maing. Second personal foul on Maing penalty. What a great escape from Abu Dhabi. 67-61. 6-point lead on Abu Dhabi. Our next game, Akure versus Caladia. Our inter-street category, right basketballista. 27 seconds.
Salang, okay lang, isa lang!
Mine. Foul. 20 seconds, 20 seconds. Sixty-two, 61-7. Tap by Wonderboy. Foul. 17 seconds. 17.
Panalo na.
Last 17 seconds.
Ay, wa.
Shoot.
Call, isa lang call!
Super rated, ah.
Oh! The Flamanoy. Wonderboy. 10 seconds. And no, winner Abu Dhabi, 67 to 64.